नमस्कार, आदाब, सत श्री अकाल दोस्तों। मैं हूँ रिचा विद स्टेलर मीडिया एंड प्रमोशंस और मेरे साथ आज हमारी स्पेशल गेस्ट हैं। वेलकम शैनन
Thank
to
you.
the Windy City.
Thank you so much.
Friends, you may know about Shannon already. Shannon is a very, very big singer. Don't go on her little frame here.
Yeah, please don't.
Yes, she is a packet of big energy, big talent. She is none other than Kumar Sanuji's daughter, Shannon. So, how did you make your entry into this music world, and what brings you into this vast musical, magical world?
Oh my gosh. I started off growing up listening to my dad's songs, obviously, and yeah, he's been my guru since day one. So growing up listening to his songs fascinated me into leading the legacy ahead and everything. And then I moved down to London. That's where I was raised, and yeah, I grew interest more and more in the Western music and everything. And yeah, I kind of combined both together, the West and the Indian cultures together, and yeah, with everybody's blessings and my dad's blessings, I've been, just following my dreams.
So, Shannon, I know that your musical journey started in 2017, and it's not that far back in time. It's just 2025, and you've already earned many accolades and awards,
Thank you.
including the there's one award called HMMA.
Yes,
It's very prestigious, and it's Hollywood Musical
Media Awards.
Media
Yes.
Awards. And there's another one, O something like OMW or what's that? There's another award that you've earned.
Yes.
So, how does it feel like, you are actually not truly into Bollywood? You are making music in Hollywood.
You're right.
Getting recognition in America or European countries, and of course, I'm sure you've already collaborated with Kumar Sanuji as well.
Yes.
So, how does it feel? You are actually going all around the world.
Absolutely. I mean, I'm here to represent, my culture, my roots, and it always feels really nice to be acknowledged and to be recognized for, for your talent, for your music out here in the West. So, yeah, I've just been very grateful for everything that I've gotten so far, and I just hope that, the future brings even more. So, yeah.
So, Shannon, I mean, if you were not a singer, what would you be?
Ooh, interesting. There's a lot of things that I would have been, probably. I think I would have been a therapist, an actor, a dancer.
Actually, I heard about your, you made some movie in 2020, right?
Yes,
So, you're an actress too.
I am, yes.
And so, between your acting and singing career, you're also making rounds, attending different events, and you're also here for
Yes.
a special event. So, I'm delighted to have you here, to welcome
you.
you in our Windy City, Chicago.
Thank you.
And let me tell you, friends, Shannon is here for a very, very prestigious and big event just tomorrow. It is called Mrs. Bharat Illinois 2025, and it is being organized by Dhamal Entertainment in collaboration with My Dream TV. So I have the organizers here also with me. I would like to invite Ajanta Talukdar, please, to join me. Ajanta, congratulations. I was just talking to Shannon, and she is definitely very inspiring, very motivating. And tomorrow also, we're going to have a big set of about 100 beautiful ladies walk into Matrix Club for Mrs. Bharat, Illinois. So, how do you feel?
I'm feeling very good, and first time. This is the first time, and thanks to Rasmi Bedi and Janak Bedi, and also of course Surya Bedi for supporting. And Rasmi Bedi is a great mentor for me, and she is a very great woman, great lady, and she is the most amazing woman I have ever met. So she is the one behind me, and also my husband. He's supporter. He's a great supporter for me. But yeah, and also my state directors, Madhumita, Anusha, Minal, Nikita, and Khushbu Bansal. And of course, Anika Dubey is also a supporter for this. So yeah, tomorrow is a big day for me, and I'm waiting. And of course, thanks to Shannon K for coming and supporting us. looking forward to see you all. And also Rosia Ahluwalia, the Bollywood designer, is here, and also Paromita Ghosh. So I want to invite Rosia Ahluwalia to join me because Shannon Key is a showstopper for Rosia Ahluwalia. If you want to join the and walk the ramp, please join Rosie Ahluwalia's designs.
Rosie, welcome to Chicago. Welcome to Chicago, and we've actually seen your designs many a times here in Chicago, and I believe this is your third time joining us in Chicago and presenting your collection. So I'm actually so delighted because I'm having like a face of women and empowerment right here with us. You know, somebody who's walking uh, the ramps, and she's a New York fashion model herself, and I have Shannon, who's an accomplished singer, and I have Rosie Aluwalia also. You're a very well-known designer. So, Rosie, tell us something about your collection.
First of all, thank you, Chicago and Ajanta Dhamal Entertainment. Because of her, I'm here again back to Chicago, and I'm so happy, so glad. Shannon is my showstopper tomorrow. It's such a
Wonderful.
it's such an amazing feel I have because fashion meets music, and this blend is very nice. And all thanks to Ajanta and her entire team has worked for this. And tomorrow you'll see my floral collection, which with a very famous song "Jimmy Jimmy Aja," which I'm sure she's going to sing 2 3 lines about it also. And so let's see. So whoever has not registered, I would like all of them to register now and make the platform more nicer and more graceful.
So, congratulations once again to Dhamal Entertainment, and yes, so I would like to have Mr. Bedi also join us. Surya Bedi is here with us. He is Mrs. Rashmi Bedi's son, and also overseeing, the execution of the program for this event, Mrs. Bharat, Illinois. So, how do you feel? You're quite handsome yourself, and then you're going to see a bevy of beautiful women tomorrow. So, is this very normal for you to have, these ramp walks and pageantry? Like, have you conducted these type of programs earlier, Surya?
So I've kind of been working with my mom and dad for the last 5 years now. You could say I would say like this is the next step for the brand. We're bringing it back to Chicago after so many years. I feel like Ajanta is a perfect leader for this. She's done such a well job of executing, planning, and now finally implementing all the things that we're looking forward to. I feel we have an amazing celebrity here who's going to give such a great look to the event. Of course, Rosie, one of the best designers ever. And of course, I think you've done an amazing job with the interview. I would say all the contestants have taken everything very seriously. I think it will be an amazing show tomorrow, especially because everyone is supporting with the right attitude, and I feel everyone has the right goal in mind. So good luck with everything, and I think it should be a rocking show.
That's great. So good luck to all the contestants, and I'd like to invite here with us, in our little group here, all the state directors for Mrs. Illinois Bharat, who are also participating in their planning and execution of the program tomorrow. I have Madhumita, Kushbu, and Anusha Reddy, and I have Meenal Patel and Nikita. So I mean, I have all the ladies here. Ladies, women empowerment. Yes. So, how excited are you on a scale of? Are you ready? Yes.
101%.
So,
We are very excited. Shannon is here, and Rosie is here with her amazing exclusive design. So please come and enjoy. It's a beautiful platform, and everybody is welcome. Come on, Chicago.
Chicago, see you tomorrow.
Yeah, we are so excited. We are waiting for you tomorrow. Please join us at Matrix Club at 12 p.m.
See you all, everyone, tomorrow at Matrix Club at 12 p.m.
ladies and gentlemen, you should definitely come because all of your wives and girlfriends and your daughters and your sisters and your mothers, everybody
Future
is going to be future girlfriends. Yes, great place to find your future partner or your friends. Just come over and support the women in your life. I mean, we just had the International Women's Day wrap up, in March, and pageantry is all about confidence and showing your best on the ramp, and it's not easy. Anusha,
Hey Chicago, are you all excited for tomorrow's show?
for fashion show and the pageant. Come join us. Thank you so much.
So, friends, do join us. We have, lots of promoters and organizers here. Abhi Trivedi ji would like to acknowledge, and Yagnesh ji, and Altaf Bukhari ji, and
Miss Rashmi Bedi as well.
Rashmi Bedi is Mrs. Rash. Yeah, can we have Mrs. Rashmi Bedi also?
Totally
Is she?
meeting. They are like
Oh, okay. They are all.
all busy. All
Rajat
busy,
ji.
but for tomorrow they are all getting ready.
They're all getting ready.
So Rajat ji is going to.
Oh, there you go, the boss.
Morning, guys. Oh no, no, not bus.
So please wish our ladies.
Oh, definitely, you
luck
are
for
guys.
tomorrow.
Definitely, best luck for tomorrow, and hope you very, very successful, guys. And it's a huge, it's like 120 girls. It's
More.
Yes.
yeah, you definitely rock it. It's mixed like so many different type of girls. It's not easy work, and
Yes, we have about 120 ladies, beautiful ladies and contestants who are going to
don't
seek
tell like beautiful ladies. Ladies
seek
always
your
beautiful.
support. Yes, you're right. Absolutely
Right?
right.
So,
Everybody
yeah.
is beautiful.
I want to thank Rajat ji at India Foodie Lawns. Yeah, India Foodie Lawns for sponsoring us. Thank you so much, Rajat ji. We have Rasmi Bedi here, the CEO of My Dream TV.
My Dream TV. Welcome, Mrs. Rashmi Bedi, and congratulations for hosting this beautiful event tomorrow. I can't wait. I'm so excited, along with Shannon and Tina and Madhu and Kushbu, and I'm looking at everybody, Meenal and Anusha. So, Rashmi, this is not your first time that you've hosted this type of event in different cities, probably. So, what do you want to tell our contestants and people who are not able to participate this year, but they would like to do it next time? So, can we please have you here? Yes, please join.
Hi, thank you so much. It's really a moment of happiness for me that this pageant is happening in Illinois. And Miss Bharat Illinois, people were waiting for this pageant, and thanks to Ajanta for coming forward and using this platform for showcasing. This platform is just not for beauty, it's a complete package of beauty with brain. Platform for women empowerment for all ages, all sizes. We start from tween, preteen, teen, miss, Mrs., couple. All categories are here. So use this platform. We give you wings to fly, and our company name is My Dream Entertainment. So we always tell My Dream, don't sell dream, My Dream, fulfill your dreams. And this is a platform, of course, especially for Mrs. category. I always say it's a journey from kitchen to ramp. Come join our platform. We are always there for you. And a real empowerment for me is if you respect yourself, then only others will respect you. And of course, as for Mrs., we have different categories. For Mrs., we have Mrs. Elite, Mrs. Classic, Mrs. Curvy, and Mrs. Petite. So we tell people looks and parents are such thing which God has given us. So let the world accept the way we are and feel proud of yourself. So thank you everyone. Thanks to our state director, our vice president, and of course Shannon is here. Thank you so much for gracing this event, and we are looking forward to see who will be crowned Miss Bharat Illinois 2025, and you will be crowning her. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Rashmi. That was a wonderful message, for women empowerment. And of course, ladies, be yourself, love yourself first, and then only you can love others. And so, with this great message, let's end this beautiful conversation on a high note. Let's welcome our new Miss Bharat tomorrow. And Shannon, any last message for our crowd?
Jimmy, Jimmy, aja, aja. Jimmy, Jimmy, aja, aja. See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow. See you all. This is Richa with Stellar Media and the beautiful ladies of Mrs. Bharat Illinois 2025.